How to block followers in Duolingo. You can follow anyone you like on Duolingo. You can also invite friends to join. Now, to follow or unfollow friends. How to follow and unfollow friends. When you land on your friend's profile page, click the follow button to add them to your friends list. They can also follow you back if they want to. To unfollow a friend, tap on the following button and that will unfollow the user. To specifically block someone, there are two ways. The first way is the desktop, and the other way is on Android or the iOS app. To block someone via desktop web, follow these instructions. Visit their profile, click on the three dots to the right of the picture, and click on the block and the username of the friend. To block someone via Android and iOS app, follow these instructions. First, tap on the user's profile. Second, scroll to the bottom, tap Block User. 3. Confirm by tapping Block. Note that you can unblock a user by tapping Unblock User. Now there are restrictions to this. You will not be able to follow more than 1,000 users. You cannot follow age-restricted accounts, learners that are 13 or below. You cannot follow a learner if they have their profile set to private. If you're inactive, you won't be able to follow others. Complete a lesson and you're all set. And that's how to block followers in Duolingo.